Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Teespring for consistent brand designs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize your Teespring for consistent brand designs, start by logging into your Teespring account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings located in the top right corner. Click on the brand settings option from the drop-down menu. In the brand settings section, you will find the option to authorize your brand. Click on the Authorize Brand button. You will now be prompted to enter your brand's information. Fill in the required fields, including your brand name and logo. Make sure your logo is high resolution for the best appearance on products. After entering the information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to proceed. Teespring may require additional verification steps, such as linking your social media accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any necessary verification. Once authorized, return to your brand settings to customize your design preferences. Select your preferred color palette and font styles that reflect your brand identity. Save your changes to ensure they are applied to your future products. You can now create new products with your authorized brand design. When setting up a new product, your brand settings will automatically apply. Preview your designs to ensure they align with your brand vision. If changes are needed, go back to the brand settings and make the necessary adjustments. This process helps maintain a consistent look across all your Teespring products. Remember to periodically review your brand settings to keep them up to date. By authorizing your Teespring account, you enhance your brand's professionalism and appeal. This step-by-step approach makes it easy to establish a cohesive brand presence. With your Teespring fully authorized, you're ready to create and sell with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.